Welcome to I Hate Cooking. My name is Pierre Robege and I hate cooking, but I still do because I'm too cheap to eat out all the time. My recipes are super easy to make, super easy to clean, won't take much of your time, and they still taste pretty good. Today we are going to cook perfectly tender baby back ribs without first boiling them in water. We are going to steam them in the Instant Pot. In terms of ingredients, you are going to need, of course, some baby back ribs, some salt, 1 can of Pepsi, and some VH sauce, and I'm going to use the honey garlic sauce. The first step is that we are going to coat the ribs with salt. Then we are going to put some VH sauce on them. We are going to open our can of Pepsi and just pour the Pepsi in the Instant Pot directly. We are going to place our ribs in a circle on their side in the Instant Pot. And we are also going to add some VH sauce in there. And then we set the Instant Pot for 30 minutes. So now we have 30 minutes to kill, so let's go watch on YouTube. And we are back. It has been a little bit more than 30 minutes, and this is why I like the Instant Pot. Because even if you don't come back exactly after the 30 minutes, it's just going to do a slow release. The pressure is going to come out automatically very slowly, and the meat is going to be a little bit tender. You can release the steam after 30 minutes if you are in a hurry. If not, just let it do a slow release and the meat is going to be better. Let's take a look at what we have here. This is looking very good. Look at how tender the baby back ribs are. Let's take them out. They are so tender that it's really hard to take them out without breaking them. Look at this. We can now add more VH sauce. Very nice. Let's now give it a taste. Extremely tender. This is absolutely incredible. You have to taste it to believe it. The Pepsi adds a little bit of a caramel taste to them. The VH sauce is adding a sweetness to them. This is just perfect. You can also broil them in an oven for 3 minutes if you want the ribs to be a little bit more crisp on the outside. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can click on my affiliate link for the Instant Pot. I'm gonna wish you a great rest of your day and I'm gonna tell you à la prochaine.